y'all? It's me, Sista Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And as we've been doing all month long, we are starting today's video off with a quote from an African American in honor of African American History Month. So today's quote is coming from writer, lawyer, and former First Lady Michelle Obama. It says, "One of the lessons that I grew up with was to always stay true to yourself and never let what somebody else says distract you from your goals. And when I hear about negative and false attacks, I really don't invest any energy in them because I know who I am." So for today's sweet treat, I'm gonna show you a fun and easy way to get those ooey gooey cinnamon rolls at home with a nice little Valentine's twist on top of them. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, just keep watching. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
The first thing you're going to do is make your cinnamon sugar paste. So I've got 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm just going to mix all of that together, and then I have a separate bowl here that I'm going to add a half of our cinnamon sugar paste mixed with just 2 tablespoons of softened butter. So I'm working in parts here to try to get an even consistency paste. So I decided to melt the other 2 tablespoons of butter just a little bit to see if it makes things easier. And now I'm adding our remaining cinnamon sugar and then just mixing until I've got that even paste. Alright, you'll take your pizza crust, and I'm just spreading mine over my cutting board, and then I'm just going to add my cinnamon sugar paste. So once I've got it all on there evenly, I just roll it up, and then I'm just going to cut as even a piece as I can and put them into my baking tin. Alright, once I've got all of my cinnamon rolls in the baking tin, I'm just going to put them in my oven that's been preheating at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And just look how ooey gooey those cinnamon rolls look. Alright, moving on to our icing, because it's not a cinnamon roll without icing. I've got some cream cheese and some melted butter with a little bit of vanilla extract, and I am going to mix it with my hand mixer. And as you can see, I'm kind of making a mess, so I'm just going to try my best to break up some of the cream cheese before mixing again. Alright, now that I've got most of the clumps out, I'm just going to go ahead and add in our 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. So in an effort to prevent the mess that we made with the butter and cream cheese, I'm just going to lightly mix it before using my hand mixer. So it wouldn't be a Valentine-inspired gift if I didn't add some red food gel to give us a nice, bright pink icing for our cinnamon rolls. Now, while the cinnamon rolls are still warm, I am going to just pipe the icing over them. Now, if you like a runny cinnamon roll icing, I just recommend adding a couple tablespoons of milk or milk alternative. But let me tell you, these right here, they don't really need it because they pop it just like that. So be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section below.